This video will help you to get started editing your site. First, go to sites.biz. Select Login from the main menu. Enter the username and password you registered with. Click on Update My Details. From here you can personalize what you want to appear on the various pages of your site. Make sure to put your email address in here, as this is the address any queries from the Contact Us page will be sent to. You can also change the name of the About page to something else. This could be My Services, or My Pricing. Click on Edit My Website. Let's start by changing one of the main screen hero images. The current image is shown on the list and you can select another one to take its place. Select the image you want by clicking once on the little button. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and press Save. As you can see, the current image has changed. You can scroll through the images by clicking on the right or left-hand side. However, the images will scroll by themselves. There are 4 different ones. Now let's change one of the smaller images. The process works in the same way. To edit the header text, click on the edit icon again. Change the text to what you want it to say. When finished, press Save. Changing the text on the other pages is done in exactly the same way. You can change the format of the text by highlighting it, and selecting bold and underline for example. You can center text by highlighting and clicking Align Center. Now we'll change the positioning of an image. Select the image by clicking on it once. Center the image by clicking Align Center like we did with the text. Now we'll center the text underneath it. Moving on to the Contact Us page. Much of the text on this page is changed from the Update My Details screen. Anything that you don't want to appear, just remove it from here. As you can see, the zip or postcode has disappeared. We can continue to edit and get the text and images exactly how we want them. When you have finished, press the Here link at the top of the screen. If you have one or more social media pages, click on the Social Links menu option. Enter the links here. Contact your social media provider for your specific links. You can view and download the user guide here. There is a separate video showing you how to edit images from this menu option. Thank you for watching.